and welcome. My name is Kelly Lewis, and I'm the Vice President of Revenue Enablement at Highspot. Today, I am joined by the wonderful Brooke Holland, and we are going to talk about all things onboarding. Brooke, can you do a quick introduction?
Yeah, I would love to. Thanks, Kelly. My name's Brooke Holland. I've been at Highspot now for just shy of 5 years. I joined in January of 2020, and I lead our go-to-market onboarding program here at Highspot.
And she does a wonderful job with it. Thank you for everything. So you've been running onboarding for a while now. Why do you think good onboarding and sales training is so important?
Yeah, I think if you think about it just from a very simple standpoint, it's the start of someone's career at Highspot. And so it's really, the accelerant to make or breaking success. And so it's really important to ensure we're aligning on those expectations right up front. And we can start really driving towards those role-specific expectations and success metrics.
Yeah, we all know that sales leaders want their teams ramped as quickly as possible. So it's something we're always thinking about. When you're designing your program and iterating on your program, what are some of your best practices?
Well, there's a few. I think one, it starts with having Highspot as a tool that is just central and foundational to how we run our onboarding, and we're able to do it so consistently month over month, week over week. The second is from an org standpoint, is making sure you're getting buy-in and enrollment from managers up front and you're establishing those expectations with stakeholders. And then I would say the third thing is just from a program lens of making sure that it's super prescriptive and intentional on what you're giving the new hire at their point in their journey. So if it's something that is, happening on week 2 or even month 3, being intentional about when they're getting those specific types of learning so that they're setting themselves up for success and role.
Yeah, I love that. I think we're constantly finding that we really have to iterate these programs pretty frequently as the market changes and the different type of role profiles we hire change. And you've done a wonderful job of that. Okay, so we always want to know in enablement, how do you measure success of your onboarding program?
Yeah, so in 2 main ways, we've got leading indicators and lagging indicators. So when we're looking at leading indicators, it's going to be metrics like pipeline and time to first sale or time to second sale. And then the lagging indicators being things like attainment.
I think it's so important. I see you do such a nice job of aligning with our stakeholders on what those metrics are so that we're all have the same end goal in line. But anyway, Brooke, this was really fun. Thank you for stopping by.
Thanks for having me. Thanks, Kelly.